Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches of some of the Glam Polishes that are releasing in the month of October. Glam Polish sent me half of their newest collection that is releasing on October 23rd, and this collection will be limited and it is called the Burton collection. It has 10 quirky shades inspired by Tim Burton Movies, and as I said, they are releasing on October 23rd. For the first 72 hours you can save 5% of all individual shades with the code SPELLS 5 or 10% of the full collection with the code SPELL10. I will link for you all of these details in the description box, so definitely check it out, including the Polish descriptions. Sometimes I'm limited with the characters, but I am hoping that I can fit all of these 5 polishes in my description box for you. But definitely check this out. I really like every single one of these. I think this would be definitely my 5 picks, so Glam Polish knows me really well. The formula on this is absolutely beautiful. Again, the brush is a thinner brush, but I had no problems with applying these polishes, as you will see in the swatch portion. And yeah, I just really love this, and I will be probably getting the remainder of the 5 that I do not own, because these polishes are absolutely gorgeous and I'll really enjoy Tim Burton movies in general. Let me know which one out of these 5 is your favorite, and if you will be picking up any of these polishes or the other polishes that are in this collection. And if you enjoy my swatch video, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this intro up right here because, you know guys, I like to ramble around, and as I said, all the information that you need to know will be in the description box. But if you have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. Continue watching my swatch portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.